Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this Ford Kuga. So from any screen, you've got map there. That takes you straight, if you just want to see where you're going, map's fine. If you want it to tell you where you're going, navigation. You've got destination input at the top, city and postcode. So we'll go on to city and postcode and enter city or postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. Gone straight onto numbers, which a lot of them don't do. 5. Sometimes you have to put a space if it's only 2 digits. So we'll just try this. 4. No, proper. Everything Ford do is always right. It's always best. Better than the big boys, I've got to say. When I say the big boys, I mean not probably as big as Ford, but the more expensive cars. So PR5 4JS, Grosvenor Garage, Wantleydale, Preston, and we're on Chorley Road. So there you go, that's it, PR5 4JS. Click OK. Calculate route to city centre. Well, it's because I've not put a road or a number of a house there. And you've got route 1 eco, route 2 fast, route 3 short. So we'll go route 3 short. That's it. The actual, you see there, the speaker.
Follow the road
there you go.
2 kilometers.
There was no audio instructions then because this little button there, or this touch screen button was knocked off. So that's it. That's how you do it. Very, very easy system to use.